Or you wanna those people who will die for a fucking Popeye's chicken sandwich? Because the devil got bullets flying around Popeyes all over America right now. Would you go to a beehive and just smack the shit? Or are you just fucking stupid enough to just still be eating meat? Because any black person, or whatever y'all want to call it, because ain't nobody black, but if you eating fast food in general, fuck meat. If you eating fast food, you're fucking on a low frequency. You're on a low frequency. You gotta understand. Yeah, Halloween did just pass. See, y'all be late, but I be having to refresh in y'all memories. Cause me, I'm not ever trying to be like nobody else. I'ma just say what the facts is. Y'all see all the movies like Chucky, Michael Myers, and all of that shit. I think y'all would know by now that people die around these times. Halloween is not the time to be playing around and going trick-or-treating. Y'all think that shit is fun. No, it's not fun. But one thing I do know is fun is I see motherfucking lost ass motherfuckers talking about let me eat 100 Popeye chicken sandwich challenge. That shit is fucking stupid. Y'all are fucking crazy. You are. No, I'm not like everybody else. Oh, we might. We could be. We might. No, y'all are eating fucking humans. Y'all are. You are eating humans. It's human meat, even if it's cloned meat. Like, even if they take a fucking gene from a chicken, take the DNA and then make a chicken and feed it to you, that's man-made meat. See, it's different kind of video. I gotta do a couple videos for y'all. It's different kind of meats. You got pure meat. You got fake meat that when you put that shit in the freezer and you put it in a truck and you bring it to the factory and then to another boxing place and then you bring it all the way to the fast food place, that's fake. You know how many flies would be following that truck on a highway if that was real meat in there? Do you know? Just look at when they got cows and shit in the back of the shit. Look how many flies is following that shit. That's not even death y'all eating. That's fake meat. Break a fucking McDonald's chicken nugget open. Shit look like paper. It's paper. I've been eating that shit for over 10 years. Over. I haven't ate that shit since I was a child. Y'all know how many fucking people come up missing on Halloween? Do y'all really want to know? All the people you think you know, do you think that they went on fucking vacation? You think they went on vacation? They ain't going on fucking vacation. They're gone. That's where they're at. Gone. You're eating them. You fucking savages. You're demons. You're demons. You're demons. And I must pray for you. Oh, yes. I must pray for y'all. Because this is what I'm trying to tell y'all. Man, son. Like, oh, man. You are eating fucking human meat. I don't care what everybody else say. Oh, you might. Oh, they third eyes open. So they just getting the images and the ideas. But me, my crown chakra is open. So I'm seeing a full picture. And what I say about them animals that if you eating them, you killing them. Them people that's missing that you're eating, you killed them. You helped get rid of them. Is a Popeye's chicken really worth dying for? Let me know if you will die for Popeye's all white fake meat chicken sandwich. I told y'all to stay the fuck away from me. I told y'all. You get up in the morning and you just start feeling sick. Blame Popeyes. Blame Popeyes. Synchronicity. Popeyes released a chicken sandwich and now Pops die. I don't think y'all be paying attention. Yeah, Pops from the movie Friday. Y'all don't understand what's going on in this world. There are rituals that are being done over your head. There are spells that are being released to make sure you kill yourself. Nobody's gonna do nothing to you. You're gonna kill yourself. Because of the shit that you choose to eat. Now, I got a big, long vegan video coming. I'm gonna take all my little vegan clips and I'm gonna release them for y'all. Stay the fuck away from fast food. I don't have to name no names. Stay away from bubbly soda. Stay away from it. It's all poison. It's all poison. Sugar's poison. Your meat got drugs in it. Your meat is a drug. The meat you eat is a drug. They make that shit. They chop up humans and blend it in with the GMO meat that they made already. It's easy. You don't see it? Or you just love it. Or you're too busy eating the shit with a tomato. You should be eating tomato plain. You should be eating a tomato just plain like an apple. What is wrong with y'all? Talking about, I think we eating humans. Y'all niggas been eating humans since 1950. You ain't know that? You ain't know that? This is the only place you can get true light from. So stop fucking around with everybody else. The only place where you will receive true light. We are all God's warriors. All the angels that follow this page, they already knew about Popeyes. They wasn't stupid enough to fall for that trick. Clean your systems out. Cleanse your souls. You are in hell. You are eating rotten fucking meat. I don't give a fuck if this is hell. I don't give a fuck if it's pepperoni or Domino's. It's fast food. It's fucking nasty.